Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to highlight part of an image on PowerPoint step by step. I'll be showing you this on Windows. First, insert your image onto the slide. Go to the Insert tab at the top, then click Pictures in the Illustrations group. Choose this device to select your image from your computer. Once it appears, resize and position it as needed. Next, draw a shape over the specific area you want to highlight. Head back to the Insert tab and click the Shapes button. Select a shape that fits what you're highlighting. Rectangle, oval, or freeform all work well. Draw it directly over the area you want to stand out. If you're using a circle, hold Shift while dragging to keep it perfectly round. The shape will cover the image temporarily. That's normal. Now, select both the image and the shape together. Hold Control, click the image first, then click the shape. Selection handles will appear around both objects, and the Shape Format tab will appear at the top. With both selected, go to the Shape Format tab and find the Merge Shapes button in the Insert Shapes group. Click it, then select Fragment from the drop-down. The image will look unchanged at first. Right-click on the result, and you'll likely see an Ungroup option. The image separates into pieces the shaped portion you want to highlight and the remaining background. You might need to click away and reselect to see the individual pieces clearly. Click on the background portion, the part not inside the shape you drew. Make sure you select only the background piece. Selection handles will appear around just that portion, and the Picture Format tab will show up. Go to the Picture Format tab and find the Adjust section. Click the Artistic Effects drop-down arrow and select Blur. The background blurs out, making your highlighted area stand out in sharp focus. To fine-tune the blur amount, right-click the blurred background and select Format Picture. The sidebar opens to the Artistic Effects section under the Effects tab. Expand Artistic Effects if needed and use the slider to adjust the blur intensity. You can also click the highlighted portion and format it if you want, add a border or adjust brightness, but it usually looks good as is. If you need to move the image later, select all pieces, right-click, and choose Group to keep them together. You can also use grayscale instead of blur for a different look. Just pick grayscale from the Artistic Effects dropdown instead of blur. And the fragmented pieces stay editable, so you can always go back and adjust the blur intensity or swap effects later. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.